Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about my new toy, my new item that I got, which is my Instant Pot Instant Pot that air fries. This is it. Now let's open this puppy up. Hello, get ready to experience fast, tasty, healthy cooking with your new Instant Pot Duo Crisp plus air fryer. Visit instantpot.com for how-to videos, tips, and more. Register your product and download the full user manual at instantpot.com. And then this product parts: pressure cooker lid, inner pot, air fryer lid, pressure cooker base, broiler dehydrator tray, multi-level air fryer basket base, protective pad, storage cover, multi-purpose rack, and getting started guide. Here we have the guidebook, this is for this is, you put the hot lid on this part, and for the air fryer lid, and this part, the air fryer lid clicks onto it. Now, all the parts are out. Let's stick that back in there in case I need to turn it or exchange it. Oopsie. got its tag on it. Oh, excuse me. Hold on, I need to put you up there for now. This goes on the, it's a stand for the air fryer pot. This metal piece sits inside the air fryer pot. You can put it in that part. This can either sit like this, or it goes like that so that you can put it in the air fryer pot, or you could actually have something standing up in the other. Now, set. There we go. Let's always hold it by the bottom. Don't just hold it by this, because if it comes off, you're gonna hurt yourself. Now, this here, you always want to store this piece on it when you're not using it. This is the air fryer lid, and you can either set it on this part, or you can take and even it out. Okay, let's see. I'll have to figure out how that goes. But I will do a video with my first item that I cook in it soon. Peace, much love. Bye for now.